In this video, I'll show you how to create invoices in Wave. First, log into your Wave account and open the business you want to use. Next, go to Sales in the left sidebar and select Invoices. Now click Create an Invoice to start a new invoice. Select the customer you want to bill, or click Add a Customer if the customer is not already in your account. After that, enter the invoice details, including the invoice number, invoice date, and payment due date. Next, go to the Items section and select the product or service you're charging for. Enter the quantity and price, and Wave will automatically calculate the total. If you need to add more products or services, click Add a Line and enter the additional information. Now review the subtotal, taxes, discounts, and total amount. You can also add a memo or additional information for your customer. After that, check the payment options and make sure everything is correct. Once you've reviewed the invoice, click Save and Continue. Finally, you can choose to send the invoice directly to your customer by email. Before sending it, make sure the customer's email address, invoice amount, and due date are correct. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create invoices in Wave. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.